No two projects are alike. There's always something interesting about, so far, every building I've been to. I'm Daniel Cantrell, I'm from John Stark and Crickmade Partnership. We're architects in Dorchester, and a large part of my work involves historic and listed buildings. Many environments I work in are quite, I suppose, rugged environments. Often structural damage, woodworm, rot, sometimes roofs have decayed, so we have to just take things as they come. With the Cat S61, I've used loads of tools on the phone. If I'm doing a survey, I use the dictaphone and the camera. I'll just say what I see, and then I'll take a picture of it. Before I got the Cat phone, I was just using an ordinary camera, and I reckon the camera's done well if it's lasted a year. The camera's damaged really quite easily. The Cat phone's rugged. The thermal imaging has been really helpful in the past. I've found where leaks were occurring in a roof. And it wasn't where the water was dripping in, but I could see a whole cold streak along the ceiling. And sure enough, when we went on the roof, we found a hole where I could see it on the thermal imaging camera. All my kit is tough and durable, and the Cat phone is. I can drop it, it doesn't break. It just does so much all in the one thing. I can use it as a telephone, but also it's got other features on it, like the laser measure, so I don't have to go and get the tape measure. With this, it's all in one place. The main advantage for me is that it's waterproof. That's important at work because I work in all weathers, and it's also important in my leisure time, kayaking and sailing, things on the water. I can stick it in my buoyancy aid, go for a paddle, I know it's there. If I need to make a phone call, then I can. So if there's a problem, I can contact people, which is great. I recommend the Cat phone to anybody that needs something waterproof and durable and that works when you need it.